The bar restock, yeah? Me not care if I don't say your cousin, who are your auntie, who are your para blood clot queens. Every man in our world, no boy can kill their best friend and blood clots and I see a part there, enjoy himself. And here, bad man sang on a bus blank. Pussy and then the sex but look your over party. Every man in our boy can violate your blood clot for that get
From a boy, this is linking to the put that time up on it, you know why? What's up, let's link up with that mineral boss. You know, brother side, we not progress. We don't even know with you. If you're not showing up, man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. It's because of my name, I'm on the streets and them. What they do? I just saw them come by. Where come from? I chill up them, want see my head. Listen for the rest of 2021, one thing me I tell you. I'm feeling it's off. I lose the progress in 2021. Numbers no lie. Check our tunes, people are buying. All who say for boy violated that, him have to violate you. You know why me say so? And I feel it. And I feel it. Fuck the back again. Yo, DJ. Dog them. Nothing you can't talk about from me, this is dog them. Everybody know. My dog them a feel it. What? And I feel it. Fuck all of the leader them. With a light over here. Yeah. And she's a bit calling for me. I was flying for me. Empty the right. My dog them a feel it. And I feel it. Yo, shot boss. Big up in the head. What the thing got? Really? I was flying for me. I was flying for me. Everybody know. Matty killers, Matty killers. Split up. Any thunder. How much me need that? Pussy them out of the belly. Fig it on. Pussy little jelly cause you act. Like say you carry stuff. Run up in anywhere you love. Make a link, make a money in your place like that. Don't stand up by friends, think of pressing it and that. I'm not gonna believe what? I'm not gonna believe. Fuck about a girl in the hula hula like how you live, bro. Falling for me. I was flying up on it, into the right bar. I'm not gonna believe. You wanna know the thing when I pass on floss, you know me generally ain't seen it about, you know what I mean? Well, you don't know London Sparks and Shampoo next. What's the man?
Hold on there. Make some space there. Cause the ball game I get sticky and now. So make some space because the big ball of them just don't warm up and them say, whistle man, ball game I change and now. You know me I talk about the Tigo. The 18th of July is spilling up. I always look for that. Big up the Crab family, Keisha Crab and Chris Crab. Keisha the 30th of August. I hear a thing that. I know say Chris, the 17th of September, I hear a party that I know it's not a shot or things like that. And the person I keep a barbecue. What you hear me talk about? If my name is not on a flyer, please do not give it to me. I will not read it. I'm here to make sure that the party run. Just like that. The argument no in that. Can you hear me talk about this in August the 1st? I plug my party that. We have to talk about that.
Alright, so young.
Your party later, after party later, which part early bird, $20 streets. It just named streets. Brent, you're there no Brent. The one I've done the champagne, leave some champagne for some other people, Brent. Because we know you're still. You want the song by every champagne. Just leave some champagne for some next patron. Hallelujah, people in XNL. Enjoy yourself for the weekend. I said I will not read a flyer if my name is not on it, and I'm not disrespecting no one. My vice, I gotta get paid for it because you're paying selectors. So please, if my name is not on the flyer, right, Junior P, if my name is not on the flyer, I will not read it. My advice is expensive. I go all around the world. So if you can't put me on your flyer, me not read it. Boo! That's not a deep way. The ball game start. London Sparks. I want to them. March on. I want to them. Shampoo. Jesus Christ.
Yo, let's come to the
Make some drink for us. Anything.
In a little tent, oh, and just like the river I've been running. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. I know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know the change won't come. Oh, yes it will.
Ever said I must box for shampoo? See? I heard you. I like your eyelash.
You got a lot of problems in your life. Well, they throwing a party for the broken hearted. And December's only tonight.
Let's go. Bag a song play a while ago. Exactly the right and proper way Jonah play. Right? There's so much woman that feel it. Keisha Crab, what one so crab? Class. Shout out husband right there. See this scratch up. TV. I'm going out to Jamaica and I'm telling the thing now. Come on. Let's go. No, but when I dance a while, I'm going to be a case of champagne, I say an order. The right time to play them song here. Don't forget this coming Sunday. It's all about Bad Kid. 4th of July. And don't forget this all about
baking event. Oh my God. And secular party, I need the right and proper way. Come on. Pick up the crowd now, some boy, I make love to you. Suck off your breast then. Push all him tongue in your ears. Some boy, I come to your hole inside. Pick up the camera on this scatter relationship. A second long time. What boy tell you? Someone look at the mouth full of rat teeth, no more than I make a love to now. Pick up the girl and you brush teeth. And you take out the whole of rat teeth out here because someone look at the mouth full of rat teeth like going down here. You clog them like the swords. Pick up! It's a weekend. We're there at the after party round now.
It must have broke your poor little heart when the boys used to say.
Pick up the drum and you make the clothes look good what you have on right now. Somebody get them different for the blood clot clothes them. Oh no, no, no shape. Pick up the drum and say you make the clothes look good. I want you a long time man see you. And I say goods. Oh Jesus. Love clot. Second one more song I play it.
I wanna know
What's been
going on
you don't breathe it.
in your life.
Ladies,
Talk to me, baby.
talk to me right now.
Your hair, perfume you wear, brings back memories
I want pretty man.
of you and me.
Beat them right now. Go now.
You're so fine,
No sir.
blow my mind.
Pick up the drum and put on the ear and you make the ear look good. Let's go.
Some love has happened in my life.
I said,
Since it was,
and the people mention them liquor now. And they mention them liquor now. Listen, man, I want to go to bed time yet, you know. Second.
I know that it's
I tell the boys and the selector play a song. They just a think about him. Ladies, let's go. Someone to get a foot on the place and don't know who don't want to spend the rest of their life with. Who don't pick on the blood clot pick from now. Let's go. Oh boy, not foreign. Pick up the girl for you look a bit, you pick where you want to be. You pick your friend you want to be a nurse, a teacher, a doctor. And you want to sweep up road. Let's go. Remember, I could play like a real blood clot dancing right now. Second. I could promote that this I keep this up. White envelope will get paid on tonight, Lando. Second I did this thing. Big passer. And a Guinness dance this. A Guinness are early. Ladies, let's go! Take care of kids by yourself, must have blood for your blood clot pin in them. All proud mothers must have blood for your kids then. And the boy can't hold it up my life, tell him. Every true friend must have blood for your friend right now. Even the girl on the beside of baby, must have blood for your real friend blood clot right now. You should have decided to hug her up. Big up the camera, your man or your friend. Some girl have this it up. Some girl have mash up your blood clot friendship relationship. You're done with friends. And you and your man or friend, one time your man or sit down and chat the blood clot, girl. Yeah, good. Come on. Ready?
Close your eyes and try.
You don't know when you come on to your friend's birthday, you send her a gift book here. And when you're not a friend, you say, bitch, all this coming to like you too, you know.
It's silent, it's shining, knowing you can always count on me.
Ladies, let's go. Tell the truth. Oh, Jesus.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forever.
The place still alone. Blood clot in your man in your lover. Never sell out. You don't know you're standing beside your friend. I want your real friend right now. Bust a friend, bless a blood clot block for your friend right now. Bust a block for your friend right now. Jordan, keep away, one. Blood clot. Oh, Jesus. Everyone say.
It's hard to see the sunshine through.
Yeah, man, blood clot should go.
I know sometimes it seems as if it's never going.
Clot it.
But you get through.
I'm not got to see the ladies every day.
Don't give in.
First of August, I know a plug. And a new party. Ready? We're not close to the check steamers.
You are becoming strong.
Ready?
My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Baby, I don't wanna hurt nobody,
Ladies, let's go.
but there is something that I must confess.
We're going to get your pussy on this smooth ride. Come on.
I don't see nothing wrong.
Oh, Jesus.
Time on my head.
Feel like a Lego selector.
Wait, boy, I ain't got no plans. No.
We're going to get your water to the boy. What one?
And the sound of the rain
Ladies, let's go.
against my window pane.
We're going to get your one more where you're hiding.
Let
You love how the boy they treat you.
me say, boy,
Ladies, can I play some song for y'all? Shampoo, not the sparks in the village. I should have said, not the sparks, shampoo in the village. Ladies, let's go.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough.
Let's go.
And I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. But I would waste my
We're
time.
going to get me a nut ball over the blood clot boy, a new boy in your life.
This
And you take control of the relationship.
can't believe you hurted me. I let you go what I did.
Ready?
But you see, where you're receiving me.
Oh, God.
Yes, it was all
Good now.
make believe. Oh.
One boy, that's one, you know. Blood clot, one time, be the blood tell us put on the ears and fuck the boy on the outside one. Oh, Jesus. Let them put clot. Ladies, should I get everything tonight? They don't eat Caesar rice, not this. Every girl about Bacchus media, bend over. Bend over. Pussy clot. They don't know the boy. Wipe on the boy. Keisha, wipe on the boy. Wipe on the boy. girl, man. I'm a tough one, ladies. A blood clot 2021 now. Big up the girl must stop take, you know, take over a blood clot girl, man. And when you take that boy, you make the boy look better than all the blood clot boy, you know, the boy there with the girl. What one? Ready?
A girl man roll it down, take him. You know, this man 40 and 40 man got all girls. Big up man, watch this woman. Yeah, yeah, me. A girl man roll you down, girl. I don't feel your fault. Yeah, leave your man alone. And go look at home.
A bomb boy not following enough. One of them could bust out the girl and pussy like slippers. Stretch out them girl. Come on, hold on. No. Some girl not lie but to the blood clot breast and bed. When they good pussy girl are there, then they stretch out them girl. Come on. Yes, sir. The girl by your belly now hold him back. Hold on for your blood clot knee, come baby, bend over. Come here, sir, come. Ready? Hey, girl, when you're good on the boy, can't come here and damn look food from you. When the girl can clean out, clean kitchen.
I want to hear about it. I want to hear about
Ready?
it. I want to hear about it.
So then you need that.
Me's a girl in a fight over man. From a little bit of just some canna. This a girl on the one give land. After that him turn food and just get the top.
You sure?
I cannot mix with nobody, can't sing no look.
All of the girl when you left your blood clot bed spread up and you go back and go sit in a nice clean blood clot house. Go! Some of the girl who come on here and fly swarm on the blood clot house. What's that summer? When the girl have a clean house, clean pussy, what go on? Come! The girl will fight more than dance to a fuck. You must have blank over your blood clot head. Come here, son. Some girl that talk about them back and need full of liver spot. Come.
Me man Jones as him like, Jones as him like. Check for food with girl one night.
When the girl me a talk to the blood clot man beat now. Let the girl that plot. Come up.
To me now, but a girl again cry.
When the girl man new boy in your blood clot pussy.
Every man want
New boy in your front.
but when
Come, come.
say I'm me, I'm sitting right.
Oh, Jesus. Come up.
I want to know some girls so they run there. See them happy over man with them a share.
So,
See them a
the
work.
girl man blood clot on the day.
She say they need to
Come here. All of the girl know you man boy. No boy can blood clot man. All the new can look like you blood clot. That is so good.
So me let's see that for again. Me too cute for mix up and blend blend. So tell a girl she figure with an argument. Me stress figure me know with an excitement.
All of the girl know your blood clot to a partner foreign. Cause some girl know some partner to a foreign. The girl know your bank account. You pick them hungry. Come. Come.
Girl, when you call my phone, just say what's on your mind.
Some of the girl fuck the boy and they don't have two good slippers. Go for the blood clot. I found it there. I'm gonna look something up.
Your man, he told me that he's tired of fish. You got it. You took one hit and said my dish keeps him coming back. You like sit tight and say it's just
Big up the girl, you answer the blood clot phone and the wife a call.
mad at me, I'm
And the boy has him answer the phone and tell the wife say,
I got your man and you can't do anything. Stop one like a year man. Go like a year, just a one night.
some of the girl fuck the boy, I know the boy has blood to patch there, you moving the blood clot. When the girl know you're a side chick, but you know the boy first and last name. The girl knows the boy start business for you. Come. feel that my friend, bro? Enjoy them blood clots. Come on, we have a little bit of a different state to you. I said we have a bit of a only thing about it now. Oh, bro. So we're doing it the first time right here. So the class, so we left them out. You know what I mean? See? Alright. Hear me now. Before we get back to the girls, go and get to some people hard. Tune up here, the pussy them see at night time and I heal when I'm feeling and all them feel like them rate. They're not rate with. Some of the boy at night time when you see blood clot when I heal, the pussy and some shop here on you know. Suck on the mother and like fat Burger King straw. Everybody will know your heart clean and blood clot. Look how much people that not corona and Father God they put there. Everybody knows that God blood clot love it. So when the pussy them a fight and they sit up and we give like bar stool, suck on the mother and get up. Me tell them they come America in one pair of shoes. My passport. I will fret when we come to the airport. Because before we come to the blood clot airport, them tell us and the visa we ain't getting on. And the immigration them call them look on you and turn you back right away. But we come here with God, with ambition, one pair of suit, and Father God, blood clot house, we come to the airport, we make sure everything good. I would never happen to you. Not like when fuck you wanna just stop. Many other days we used to be a fuck you forgot. We can't do food no work for me and go on more working spot. Back in the fort! Girl, I'm still here, girl, I'm body and I'm fire. Y'all the plus tax them brown and black them pussy fuck. Ready? You more to push the dick, my back between you. Into the 17 good fellas! I'm going up! I'm party alone, I'm party shot. I feel like I'm living up. Anyway, you see where my dick is up. Money I can make the confection up. Every time I link up here, when the rich come up, let's say I'm rich up here. Everybody happy, come back to Baba. Just enjoy yourself, so make nobody love you. That's how we do some things in our life. And Father God forgive we. So who is blood clot mankind? If you feel that they can style your life. Big up the people who know say from Father God if you win it, no pussy can be against us. Big up the people about that will fuck up but Father God bless you back. How we go on?
Shampoo. We have to big up Cancun in a real life, July 25th. You know the chop. From where you may give too much money to you know. Because you know, shoot the thing and I give so much money, I come like I'm going to drop it. You understand? But some boy from no international, some boy will go up on the plane when they go to Miami. We flying all over the world. Tell them that 100,000 them getting a walk on and tell the whole world so them rich. And them just see 100 grand. That can go buy the house and live in Jamaica. God kill me, I swear. Just do the bad this shampoo.
True to them God, one night, 1,000 mash one night, image. I know if you say Cancun. I know the 25th of July, the breakfast party, the big breakfast party. Bag of money I give it. Bag of something I go on a day. The same day, after the breakfast party, the Cancun party, you know it's all about Lee, Rich,
watch them killing us and try to run the bus, Love you to go with the bus and I'll be asking no one of it, I'll be out. Every time I do big my head, everything you feel for that. This is why me not like you, man. This is why me
don't like the pussy that call them not like it.
I'm trying to trust no girl, but she don't mind. This is why me not like you, man. This is why me not like you.
Man, me kill to all the pussy that in Orlando.
Busy with a swing, no shot.
That's right.
Let me carry a chuckle, fill him up and let me in the car. Busy with a swing, no chuckle. Them boy I'm gonna need them rock.
I can't stay them.
Now we got make me brain and move like 42 that and the truth and me a high.
Pick up my brother West.
Shooter. Go red and lag.
And the white and the red.
Me a got them coming in sick it.
Billy Coons in general.
Me a them girl a take me right now on a Uber like a super.
Pussy class.
The gun come beside the intruder, but the run go.
Blood clot, blood, what I say, pussy.
Let a mess up. Bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang. Them a chat up their mouth, we no fear them.
Every man in our know some more to your friend them fuck up. But we don't rate no more we look a blood clot woman. We don't rate no more we sell you out. When you can't sell so much coke and when you go to court and you are the blood clot man for the blood clot evidence stand and sell your pussy, you can never be with friend. Big up the man who know will never sell out to blood clot team. I want to friend and catch up with them, never say you're going to shut off our friend. Too far there your blood clot come from, I swear to God. Let me tell you this. Billy Goods! Black man, are you ready to go? Black man, tell the fuck of them!
Them chat to people when they get the man I want.
Rocky Floss anyway! No more, you mix that song and come on top the mic. Some of them boys used to come to America. Or is a good youth. Don't forget that. Don't follow the body. Let the money. Blood clot set up something. Don't follow the body boy, you know. I'm back on the usually pick up before we start playing. Let me mix again. I'm if you come and come tell us I'm usually rich. Me know about hungry. Pick up everybody who know about hungry life. One pair of shoes before the boy in my mother house. Me have to wash off my blood clot foot.
We need a car full of incentive from remote areas.
Everybody who know about blood clotting. Let me go turn up in the wash up from here. Now rush it out.
Fly down at sunrise.
Pussy clot. Look at the after party. And the after party. The after party. From the backyard. Never met a friend from the food to a home. And you have money in the way. I understand them. As the youngest legend. Pick up everybody who come from Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston, One Town, Jungle, Rima, Southside, Tellafield, Reddy's Road, one part of Waterhouse, Marvally side, where the blood clot on the Nannyfield, the wall out of East. Everybody will represent for your blood clot come from, nobody can hold it back. Father God bless those who have the blood clot will tell them.
Nobody don't chat to me.
We don't make friends. They don't clock it.
You don't see us on the sea just
Sir Dancer, what do they do?
so you're carefully.
I swear. What are they?
I'm here myself, I'll do what you
On the 23rd of July, I'm not bothered in King Selassie. Remember on the 25th, let the spot, send them.
wanna be like. Just remember when you're ready, just to say that. When you appear in a mirror, so you want me to let me go and jump in chance and the thing that I burn. When it can't stand, wanna be like.
People, the next weekend in a blood clot New York City is Lush Weekend. This artist live, Massacre, Chanel Muir. That weekend is a different weekend of blood clot for it. If we don't have no clothes, then they're going to order from No Fashion Over me something them. When they borrow some money, can order some clothes and do the thing. When they go to Burlington, come and them have sale, and then get to there, they go something them quick and fast, so they put the thing them together. Because I'm telling you, see, blood clot Lush Weekend, and if you don't have no clothes, they see them party their image.
Sign up for fucking and the girl in the village. You know how I do this.
And the first of blood clot August. Come up!
We press gas, press gas, press gas. We know we not look back, press gas. And yes, press gas. We don't need none of them.
violate Queens. No time at all. Brockman has said no. If we violate the blood clot, brother, bomb in a foreign. Don't take the blood clot fast, blood clotting for China. What does the blood clot clot for the thing that you're going to violate the drum of pussy?
Oh, gas them up, but we got bust the cylinder. Matic in the dog out the window. We no flying kick.
Head back in our car.
One like this strength. One next finger. Bust the cylinder. That window. Simple as this, me dog, me never left the end. Kick with them like.
I'm in a bed, no blood clot for it. I'm only going to feel up. The 25th. Lyric. 28. Alright. Pull up. 25th of July. Big bad party them and keep that day there. Remember the early morning party and breakfast party, Tony Hyde. Then you get too much money in the street for not get the respect. You have to stop the song and need the right. Remember that evening, after we left Tony Hyde, you know shot with them. You know the SS Spain, A-Team, Tigos Bill Boss, A-Team, Steamers, Bumbuckler, New York, full again to blood clot. I'm here. One switch on this one another. What's up?
This king, today we are doing sorry. I'm going to the trap, but the very top.
Let's get the spot. Everybody that want to feel that blood clot over the field. Come on, Scottish.
Outside of the border flip. Black 17 there with the rubber grip. You know about side, never see nobody. Anywhere we go, see boy with a new suit.
Any boy with fire lane.
Murder the fuck of them. Run it out fast, then me turn it up again.
Bumbuckler, let me test the party.
Yesterday me fuck.
Every man about shit. Go on, what one?
Outside, you know we don't love man. You see I be a good man there. While side man bad, black rain, when I break some deal, make it go hard with. You have a 4-5 Bible.
Oh, Jesus. Listen me now. When we come here to Jamaica Avenue, usually shop, you know, Vince. How much more broad for selling usually shop on Vince? But when you have a good woman in your life, change up your thing. She said, listen me now, that now I'm working now. You see upon Jamaica Avenue again with a name that we have. Beat your blood clot kill you. Big up the man knows you have a blood clot rape woman there. When a woman dresses a different dress, you get it up. Different blood clot dress. I'm going to tell you this. Tell you one. Serious. Don't find a friend. Pussy blood clot. Money pull up! Money pull up! Money pull up! Shampoo tell them! Get up! Pussy blood clot! Sex! Pussy clot! Money pull up! I'm gonna call nobody there. When you somebody tell me say, when we start playing beer, when we start dashing, so we just calm down. We just start jumping right away. Alright. Alright. BTV. Level BTV. Come here, sir. Sorry, this back now, big weekend this year. Do it the right and proper way. We don't care who some pussy want be. Who are your cousin? Everybody that will have a friend will drop out and know say a boy will kill a friend can't come on a party and come enjoy himself. And you there son. Me don't care if I don't say your cousin, who are your auntie, who are your para blood clot queens. Every man in our world, no boy can kill their best friend and blood class and I see a party and enjoy himself. I hear bad man sing on a bus blank. Pussy and then the sex but look your over party. Every man in our boy can violate a blood class for that country. Make this to that one. Jamaica. They won 14 points in Jamaica. The West Indies. They're the elephant.
YG Blacks. They were three chat. They were three.
See this song on the block like I want to reach one here.
They not do now. The seat on the yam. Blood, blood.
Lando, I want to say, second year second. When I start there to play again, and the man good. See it? The three of us. Are you up next or Renaissance? Renaissance up next year. So you're terrible bigs. Yeah, I'm going to show this later. I'll clear a couple more. And a Renaissance up next. 8 more minutes, yeah? Alright, 8 more minutes. Wall Street Junkie, speak up your blood clots. Wall Street bed! Blood clot, make you enjoy yourself. Leave up a call up in here right this one. Can't remember, you know. We just make everybody enjoy themselves. Because from one of them I say shampoo, be money pull up and bag of supplication grab some. We just say, you know, I'm going to settle and live like a real selector now. Because here one, even when I have to call about him and make this 2-3 grand money pull up and I don't have a problem with it. I don't know why, but I know what to say. That's why I get all these money pull up. You know what I mean? All this way, you know. All friends have a build up. Oh no, the thing go. No, I like that song we have a play right over here, so. That song.
I know everybody have a life, stay with my enemy. You know the lights,
everybody will know your heart clean. And the more get back to the girl and skin up right now. What I don't I'm bomb boy in a foreigner now, you know. Shut up!
success no come overnight. I know substance over I. Leave it love, me no leave it life.
Everybody with your hand clean, put your gun in over here.
Not just friend, not just nigga. Them a play hard, you get better. He said not just BS, not just trouble. Human being, not just devil. We be moving anti-social. We can stand up and
never stand up.
Anyhow, I don't make friend now. We my best friend. You know I'm my best friend now. We my best friend. So
you can go have a real blood clot friend beside you, come like a sister to you. How about that blood clot, girl? How about that girl? How about that girl? What one? Tell him.
family. If I want to be a friend killer, no believe.
Pick up my brother fellas anyway.
Family.
Good fellas anyway. It's in the 17th. Bomb boy now. Remember the 9th of July. The 4th. Pussy Clan. We have governor and I did in the 4th, you know. No one want. You know the 4th full. Hold on. Everybody want them to stand up. Me and the voice. Hold on then. Everybody know when you can call your friend 5 o'clock in the morning or when him or she deep that them sleep. And you say, I'm pushing this right now. Then jump out to blood clot and be a gunshot or a stab up. Tell them.
A couple down the road that did for me. Let us alone, let us lie out before you fuck with the family, just remember me.
Very good.
I'm not in the nerve that made my life for me.
What
I wanted to feel anything to me. If you happy when I'm aware that I love with you.
The fish right. Clap.
After all. Foot, the bottom one. My cat. I fuck, put up on the foot. Boys, put up like saying, yeah, better run like that. Yeah, we have a heart.
Everybody want to hear me. Clap. so good at road time at the night time to blood clot. Can you big up your damn self for the youth? You don't want to bum on them man, you don't want to, you know, it's already, you know. How much of them girl and boy when they are night time and trash out? We see them shock out and them have blood clot clothes and boot. How much of them have a blood clot bed where they can sleep on? Some of them pussy them get dressed in them car. Some of them pussy them sleep out and people them sleep out, the people them cold. Some of them get them hot. And then they can't get them with them pressure, the blood clot get them closey. And every night to the dress up. Or the dress up and they get them blood clot closer. They get man and knock you in the smell like knock you, ready? Come! Bomb boy, you're firing up. Beat one of them. Bomb boy, you're firing. Alright, yes sir, good sir. You can't believe someone walk from where they shoot up any blood clot man in front of you. How them? Now pull up. A big money and girl go. Big up the girl now.
It's all about Big League Fish Fry, first time in New York, August 7th, 120 Avenue and Farmers. Come out and enjoy yourself. We have breakfast in the morning, roast fish in the night, and party ride through. Big League, August 7th. Mad. Boxer Hype, 18 from out of Jamaica. And you know, say, Boxer Hype from New York. Not no good about the party.
Alright, Big League, you're off it there. Me, Mikey, Pauline, and Mr. Ive, we are going to dash it out. We off it there. Alright, Big League, it'll do it. August 7th, we are going to everybody will come out and enjoy themselves and party all night till daylight. Big League, it'll do it.
That's somebody gonna know for dress up. I can't bury. When the smell like what she never come out when I choose us up one night. And come out and the girl slippers, this now got blood clot work. Big up the camera, you know, look like a friend. And the girl can encourage you to take a blood clot boy, boy. You take who you want blood clot. You can't play two girls. The girl can't see me and come home. Them a man can't say me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me a want them. The girl can't tell her who the fuck around here. That's somebody get my friend blood clot boy. I want to come suck me. The girl can't style. Move for the blood clot and I walk with a big fat friend of you and she name there for blood clot 5-4 now. Like the sponsor man do it. That's enough. Safe. See the juggling now before blood clot left this place. Oh boy, that's fire. Yeah? Good. Renaissance! You know the thing going on, listen now. Whistle man. What is it there to do with
Who you tipping? No.
Remember the first hours and it's all about plug man. And I mean in my day party. Ladies, I want to get the clothes, I want to get the slippers, I want to get the sock, I want to get the thing, I want to get the ear them. I remember we picture them and get Johnny British. I take the picture of them so we can look at the ear them and the ear style them. We don't want them, suck them up on our part. We need the new brand something American there. Please, you are big enough. So we have to do this something around there. I mean, thank you very much.
Well, I don't know, sir. I SNL and that, so you don't say no, man. Mission no limit. Remember, I tell you, say, don't so clean. Juggies! Michelle said, Juggies. You're a party dog, and now I'm 8 August now. Because when you say Michelle got money, pull up feet, you don't say, dog, and now, man. So you hear me talk about it's the 18th of July, look out the spill. Because I'm just going to chill. I'm going to tell you something, because when you hear me talk about it, you have to mention it. I'm crazy about it. Grab Keisha Krabola there. The 30th of August, but hear this. Lush weekend. It's on the 13th to the 15th. I'm telling you something, people. The old people on the stage now go easy. And you know what is the one here? The 20th of August, ONT. You know what's it? Now, my little people. It's a crazy party. DJ Rich Boss, you know, it's a team party that. And I write your song. But you hear me at that, man. Ball game and kick wet. All of the party enjoy themselves already. And on a bus like this. Hear me and talk about now. SNL. I want to them. With some man there. I'm in our play. August the 1st. I'm Blood Man Party.
BTV. New York City. Bomb boy in a foreign now. Shampoo and the spark just clot a while ago. Excellent weekend. Please, I beg you. Come on early. You know what thing go. BTTV. Bomb boy in a foreign. Yeah, shampoo and the spark just clot them.
Yes, you can. You can depend on me. I'm in your corner, friend. When people don't know, say we're real friend. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. When you need someone around, you know I'll be your friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. But you tell me you are buying you, be more careful who you confide in. I know anybody pour out drinks and anybody buy my dinner. So hard to just say, very hard to just afraid. So fair, in a line, me love me family, but me not just see what I did. People are there, I don't know, but that's how they feel. Pick up and roll the whole up as on the wheel. All of the black side with a from.
When the people never know, so them stay to themselves, them not follow back at people.
Some of them feel with touch, my.
Yo, SNL mad, bro. You're real. Bumbleclad, DON. People, it's shot, New York, turn up, COVID gone. Bumbleclad, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens. People, don't forget, August 29, after summer boat ride, Gizzy Hype, Do Hype, mad. Boom.
When we talk about blessing flow like a river, we are talking about when you make some real money from nothing to something. So them bad and them broke no blood clot. You can't bad and broke. Rich back this us. Eat the burner for the over. Watch your food. No step on my shoes. The cars them fresh out of the fridge and I'm a room. Shatters from the fucking night. Yes, when you're up here, I'm going to get you, yelling me out. My dreams are cold. When you chop on, rapping on the shoes. This man the guns, you know what you do. Skin fighting the fuck on the pull up and food. See the wall look hot. How can you fuck it? Flank them and I'm playing with people. Rich man, okay with that roll it up. Chill them in my brand new chase. Tomorrow me buy a brand new car. Rich man, what he go get?
Big up Borough, SNM, mad thing, nice bad. But big up August 13, August 13 and September 17. Chris Crab, mad thing. Yeah, after party, last weekend, after party, big up yourself.
Them will tell me they push bad. Tell them keep calm. Don't want me get mad. In friend with this song. Can't find him play fun. Fucking sister. She said them not bad. From really simple I could have never lived plan. Everything I do I mean I really live plan. I think we need to hear me. Bad person feeling. Hot. Come on my canal. Must be hot. Forget when the fire.
Yeah, man.
Negative energy, I make one time juggling machine when there's a dimension. I feel the fire when man I roll. Well, I'm a one in the head. Yes, I'm the easy entrance in my head. Yes, look how easy it's looking. But the cheese yeah. You want to make money, never post it. I'm so sick. Score 20 goal, fuck it, yeah. You never play, not do make sense. No fire shot till the king, no. Fuck the girl looking like her. Send G and life.
If you know what I mean, that shit not white keys. Pick up my car keys. Cuba link on like keys. One person to with them so white keys.
What do people ever know, sir, when you drink? You're not drunk. Let's go with that crocus bag and things. You know we are done in the morning.
Me shoes me is a funny baby. Faster than the force me a call. Me tell her get more of a car. Tell me and she's when me nice as some fun. When me nice as some fun. Raise me by the camera. Me hear it up in the gun. Me leave it up the last row. But when me nice as some fun, me like to crazy. No mix night with beaters. All fight full of features. When me say they color brown like a bleachers in a beachers. Why leave you on a visa? Y'all like calling out Jesus. He said Jesus. As me reach class, me set up a lot, but I come up on them a some bit all with the red face, and me send a couple get the face, get a fresh team, man, now shop big and seal, everything in a me sex space, exhale, but I come up on them a look, the brother really this way, get a breeze,
there's some boy I'm a wet blood and feel like show them back.
This way, but I have all them a look, I see the king of diamond, when they clap. Look, I ain't here life, and put a rifle over this poor Palestine. Come here.
Me have a girl in a me can't see to chill. Boy, we are the best.
Wednesdays. Each and every Wednesday.
Actually, I'm shy and I'm Mr. One and go be a classic. She said she never give it up in the first night. She love me, she had the right time. And even though she a bad fit time.
Hey, guys, I'm gonna drink up in Magnum and the Hennessy.
She said, "Ding, I want you."
I have to walk through that door again.
Yeah, I don't feel charged. Hey, girl, I get the cocky on massage. I was running in the garage. Hey, talk to my boss, sit for a gas. Man, want live large. And I say, I feel charged. Feel like me that for Nicki Minaj. Hey, the way around.
When you get them in also, the open up your foot, the man never scan it again.
I be working in a young original. Fine for your 50 class, make it a little one if you fucking at the bushes or pigeon off it. She said, "Turn around, Lambos, a pretty pose, I wine fuck, you make a talk, but you never said before." She said, "Like a little now, she fly off at the cocky and tough it in a she love pussy." Pretty calm, you love the car, no make put cocky on your pussy till you.
When you get them in also, they can't set back with and them not gonna hurt them.
Been on your pussy like when you look at cars. When she put my cards, she said, "Pick it up, just to look in."
When you get them in them favorite position, every girl set good for you, cause
Just come back to you.
talk like this, yeah, so you are stories.
Come on, in white power, I got straight tonight. No! Twice on this side,
Pull up, public service announcement. People, you know, so a little more from this. You know, so right as the SNL weekend continue right as stars. You know, so the phone party continue around here so too. So many of the people around here so their party. So many of the you know, the weekend, you know. So they will do the after party. I'm telling them I play some songs for them, get a wine up, you understand? Is it? Them get a wine up. And then also the bar restocking us so we don't support the bar and thing. So I want to play some songs, make them get a wine up and they don't get my brand there. So you know it.
Yeah, what's in the place? They want to wind them ways. Tell them forward in a man.
Play some songs for them.
She get it big from she rise, but they get on so good and make she shake out she ties. Smile upon her face when she please with desire. Coming up, all out the man. Hey, when I'm going there.
No song, no play yet, you know.
When there is nobody that you I can do this every morning, every evening. I just do it straight back to sunrise.
Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh. Pussy pretty, pussy fat, full of fish. Why not dead like I'm dead arrest? Bring it on your right, boy, get shot on it.
Hey, get them party, so play some girls, so we get them one.
When you see me, I be gone, he's on the rock to town. Let us see me high, boy. Keep it fucking and give me up on the liquor for me. Cause you think you make me high, boy. When I leave, I give me a party.
What did you ever know, so the man has spent good money for you? What did you ever know, so the pump man will get good things? Here it is.
Your pum pum goes in. Tight and pretty like a pussy joke.
Because it's a girl shot, so girl shot.
Make you go in. Dr. Miami eyes up your phone. Sassy never be a pretty cute thing. Something like your belly but I come and do it. Better say your friend that you feel so quick. Somebody that you're be a busy so sick. Oh! Designer vagina. Designer vagina. After that you mess up with that tire. Cause you feel the body don't look like that tire. And if they did, you feel bang it again. And if you take it and do it, slam it again. Wake up and you with the honor show again.
Somebody get it, somebody get it. Come on, so the bar restock, yeah? Them on, so the bar restock. Yeah. So they make it out there. It's in there, feel there.
See it and you can pick it, you sell your make a profit. Up in the liberty, can get it, but we got nothing. In my name, I swim, I saw the pussy, they are party.
Ladies, guess when they're rolling our party.
Make a fit, I give you your
what thing boy you do for the ladies?
Bubble your body, see the up top pass. Like when you walk your baby. You know them like say you're upstart. And when you get out of the night, you get a top ties. She skin it out, and me fuck that hard. When me touch it, and your friend can set it for a part. Back and turn out, when you get it hard. Make this come your heart, and you can steal your ball. If you go money, and you see no money, what a pussy like, you know, if you broke a deal, and fuck a blow.
don't love nobody. But you love it anytime you start up your body. I feel love your baby because you're so cocky. And she love how baby wouldn't love. When I see baby step up and I take it up, daddy.